So we are doing like 9706. October, November 2023, paper 43. Question number 1 is for variance analysis. Okay. Read the question.
He Limited manufactures a single product and the fixed budget and the actual results for the month of April are as follows.
Okay.
And then they give us their details.
Okay. And they want you to prepare what?
Flexible budget statement for the month of April.
How do you prepare the budget statement?
Miss, you prepared using the Miss for Flex, you use the budgeted
But
production with
just give me the
the
format. Give me the format of a budget statement.
sure, Miss. So for the budget statement, you'll have to this thing, what do you call it? Or you have the sales and then you add the expenses to it, like you subtract the expenses from it, like the material, the labor, and the fixed overhead, and then you get a total cost.
Hmm.
And then total
Sales
cost you
minus
remove from
total
the
cost will give you
yeah
what?
profit
Profit. Which profit they want?
of the flex.
The budgeted profit. In flex
Yeah,
budget, what do you do?
which will take the actual sales and multiply it with the budgeted values.
Okay. In flex, you multiply the actual production or the actual sales with the standard rate.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So we can prepare.
Yeah.
Come on. Tell me sales revenue.
Yeah.
How much?
But let me just calculate this.
No, first give me the working at least.
Yeah, sure, miss. So for that we need the actual and on the budgeted value. So we have production in units 2180. Then you divide 184,000 with 2,000. So you get it per unit, and then you multiply it with the units 2180.
84,000 divided by 2,000 is how much?
It is 92. 92.
So the amount will come up to
200, 560.
then
Miss, then again for direct materials, you divide 84,000 divided by 2,000. And then you get 42.
are you not copying from anywhere, right?
No, miss.
Hmm?
No. Miss, I'm sure in the marketing scheme they don't give these workings that I'm
Okay,
telling you.
84,000 divided by 2,000 is how much?
42.
When you give me all the costs, 60,000 divided by 2,000 is how much?
It is 30.
18,000 divided by 2,000?
It's 9.
Total cost?
Let me just do the multiplication, miss. So for direct labor, it'll be 2180 into 30, which gives you 65,400.
Direct labor 65,400. How
Yeah,
about
and
the direct
19,620. Sorry?
direct material?
Oh yeah, 2180 into 42. That'll give you 91,560.
Total cost?
Let me add it up. So 176,580.
Budgeted profit?
23,980.
Hmm. The next part, they want you to calculate the sales price variance.
Yeah.
How do you calculate sales price variance?
Miss, you calculate the selling price per unit for the fixed budget and then for actual budget. And then you do this thing, standard price minus actual price into actual quantity.
Sales price variance. Can you give me the formula for sales price variance?
Sure, miss, standard price minus
Hmm?
actual price into actual quantity.
Okay. Come on. Standard price is how much?
Hold on. It is 92.
So actual quantity and standard price. I have
Mm-hmm.
the actual quantity and actual price already.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So actual quantity and actual price is how much?
yeah. Actual price is 90, actual quantity is 2180.
Darling, you multiply this, right?
Actual quantity into actual price, yeah.
Actual quantity into standard price, it will be minus actual quantity into actual price. Are you with me?
Yeah,
Okay, you already have this now, right?
yeah.
How much?
Actual quantity is 2180. So 205.60, yeah.
Yeah. Actual quantity,
Yeah,
standard price you already have.
yeah,
And actual quantity, actual price you already have.
yeah.
How much it is?
It is 196 200.
So what will be the sales price variance?
4360.
Adverse or favorable?
Uh,
For
fi-
this, you need
uh,
this bracket.
sorry.
For this, you need this bracket.
Yeah,
Can you please close the door over there?
sure, Miss Alpha Private.
Price,
Sorry. Oh yeah. It was 4360.
standard rate, darling.
Oh, you want me to calculate times? It was 92.
92. What is the actual price at which you sold?
90.
Are you sure it's 90?
Yeah.
196 200 divided by 2180. Yeah, 90.
Yeah.
So you expected to sell at how much?
At difference at 90. We expected 92. We sold it at 90. So there's a difference of two.
Okay, so good or bad?
It's bad. So it's
Oh,
adverse.
so you have an adverse variance.
Yeah.
So you have an adverse variance of how much?
4360.
4360. Now let's talk about the sales volume variance.
Yeah.
Sales volume variance, how do they want?
Yeah. Miss as a measure of change in profit.
As a measure of change in profit. Okay,
Yeah.
come on. Formula for sales volume.
Sales volume variance is standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price
Into standard price. But now they want what?
as a measure of change in profit.
So into what they want?
Profit per unit.
Standard profit. What is the profit per unit? Standard profit, yeah?
22,000 divided by 2,000. That'll give me 11.
So standard profit is 11.
Yeah.
Standard quantity is how much?
2,000.
Actual quantity,
2180. So it's 180.
adverse or favorable?
It should be favorable because we sold one.
Hmm?
Favorable because we sold one.
How much?
11 into 180. So 1980.
$1980.
Yeah.
With me?
Yeah.
Now we are talking about fixed overheads variance. Fixed overhead expenditure variance.
Right.
What is the formula for fixed overhead expenditure variance?
Fixed overhead. It's divided into two. One is
Oh
volume
yeah,
and one is
baby.
expenditure.
Fixed overhead expenditure variances. Ma, I have already explained this to you.
Oh yeah, master minus actual, right?
Yeah, fixed overheads as per master budget
Minus actual, yeah, right.
minus fixed overheads as per actual budget.
So it'll be negative 400 in this case.
So what is the fixed overhead as per master budget?
18,000.
And what is the fixed overhead as per actual budget?
18,400. So negative 400, which is adverse.
You don't see adverse and favorable with negative or positive. I've explained you this multiple number of times.
Yeah, no, miss. I just said negative with the calculation, so it's adverse in this case.
Yeah, it is adverse in this case. Okay, fine. Now, fixed overhead volume
Okay.
variance. How do you find fixed overhead volume variance?
Oh no, I forgot.
Hmm?
Miss, I forgot.
You forgot. Oh,
Miss this one variance, miss.
sorry.
Miss this one variance that I forgot.
Okay. You expected to sell how much quantity?
2,000 units.
Sorry,
2,000 units.
2000 units. Okay. But you sold how many units?
2180.
2180 units you sold. This 2180 units you will multiply with OAR.
Okay, yeah,
Find the OAR.
sure. So it's budgeted active.
Overhead volume variance. Tell me how.
Yeah. Miss, so when you divide 18,000 by 2,000, you get 9 as the OAR.
So
Then
first
you
let us
multiply
find
9,
OAR. 1 minute, wait. How do you get the OAR?
18,000 divided by 2,000
Budgeted overheads
divided
divided
by
by
budgeted units.
budgeted activity level. What is the budgeted overheads?
18,000,
Budgeted activity level.
2,000,
So your OAR would be
9.
$9. Now fix overhead volume variance.
Yeah,
Okay. So what is standard quantity?
2,000,
What is actual quantity?
2180,
Multiply by
9.
OAR.
Yeah,
9 into how much?
180,
So 9 into 180 is how much?
1620.
You sure?
Yeah,
So it is $1620. Okay. Now, next one. Come on, read.
prepare a statement, reconcile the flexible budget profit as calculated in A with the actual profit. Your statement should start with the flexible budget profit.
Okay. So they want a statement to reconcile the flexible budget profit. What is flexible budget?
Miss, the first thing that we created,
Okay. So our flexible budget profit was how much?
23,980.
You have it with you?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you write it along with me?
Miss, I just wrote a figure, miss.
Oh, really?
Yeah, okay.
So our flexible budget profit is how much?
23,980.
And what is our actual profit?
Our actual profit, one sec. Yeah, it is 22,000.
Hmm?
It is 22,000. Oh, sorry, actually it's 8414.
Actual profit is given in the question, right?
Yeah, 8414.
Actual profit is given in the question. Similarly,
Yeah,
in flexible budget, you have your standard rate and actual quantity.
yeah,
Yeah. And in
yeah.
actual profit, you have your actual rate and actual quantity.
Mm-hmm.
So, what is the reason? Why is this profit different from each other?
Yeah, we have to find the difference between.
Okay. So, the reasons could be, the first reason would be what? Will there be volume variance of sales?
Yes.
Actual quantity, actual quantity.
Mm-hmm.
So, sales volume variance will never be there
Yeah,
because we flex the budget based on the actual quantity.
yeah,
You want to find the reasons for difference in profit in the flex budget and your actual profit.
yeah,
So actual is based on actual quantity and flex is also based on actual quantity.
yeah.
What will be the reasons for variance? Tell me.
Um, Miss, like you said, Miss, there'll be a difference in the variance, yeah.
Yeah, sales volume will not be there. Then we have sales
Mm-hmm.
price variance.
Yeah,
Then direct
that
material what?
was, sorry, direct material what?
Direct material
Yeah,
what
the,
variances do we have?
direct material, get calculus, yeah.
But you know the
You
names,
have to
right?
find, yeah, yeah.
Give me the names first.
Miss, so there's direct material, direct labor, and then
Direct material what variance?
direct material usage variance.
Okay, and
Then there's direct material price variance is also there.
hmm,
Then there's direct labor efficiency variance.
then there is direct labor efficiency variance.
Yeah.
And
Uh, then there's direct labor rate variance,
hmm,
and then there is fixed overhead expenditure variance, and then there's fixed overhead volume variance.
so there is fixed overhead volume variance and there is fixed overhead expenditure variance.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Come on. Sales price variance is how much?
4360 adverse.
Sales price variance was 4360 adverse.
Yeah.
Now we go for material. You have your
Mhm.
direct material cost as per flexed budget
Yes.
and you have your direct material cost as per actual budget.
Yeah.
What was your direct material cost as per flexed budget?
Hello.
Yeah, what is your direct material cost as per flexed budget?
Miss, it was 91,560.
So direct material cost as per flex budget was 91,560. But what is your direct
Yeah.
material cost as per the actual budget?
113,796.
113,796.
Yeah.
So this is your direct material cost as per the flex budget,
Yeah.
91,560.
Mm-hmm.
And this is your direct material cost as per the actual budget, 113,796. So
Yeah.
you can directly find your direct material total variance, right?
Yeah.
How much?
Miss, we have to just subtract the values.
Okay, fine. So as per flex budget, your direct material cost was less or more?
Yes.
Less
No,
or more?
sorry, it was higher. It was higher. Oh
Hmm.
yeah, sorry. Yeah, flexed is higher. Lower.
And actual is?
Higher.
Flex is?
Lower.
Actual is
Higher.
favorable or adverse?
Adverse.
It is adverse. How much?
22,236.
So I will do direct material total variance. Whenever I have to do total variance, it will be direct material cost as per flexed
Mm-hmm.
minus direct material as per actual.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the direct material cost as per flex is 91,560 and actual
Mm-hmm.
direct material cost is 113,796. So direct material total variance is how much?
That difference
22
will be 22,236.
adverse. So I will put it in brackets.
Right.
Can you give me for direct labor now? First with the formula.
Yeah, Mr. Miss, first we take the flex,
With
direct
the
labor,
formula, direct labor, what variance you will say?
direct labor,
Total.
direct labor, yeah,
What
total
variance you
variance,
will say? Direct labor total
direct
variance.
labor total variance.
It is equal to
Uh, direct labor total variance, it is equals to this thing, flexed minus actual.
direct labor as per flexed budget
Yeah,
minus direct labor as per actual budget.
yeah.
What is the direct labor as per flex budget?
Yes, hold on. Yeah, direct labor as per flex is 65,400.
What is the direct labor as per actual budget?
55,590.
Adverse or favorable?
Favorable.
How much?
9810.
9810 favorable. Then your fixed overhead volume variance.
Yeah.
Calculated, right?
19,620.
1620 was volume.
Yeah.
Okay.
19,620. Yeah.
And expenditure was how much?
Hold on.
400 adverse.
Mm-hmm. Miss, how
Yes.
do you get that again?
Fixed overhead expenditure variance. We calculated, right?
Yeah, we did.
So I just wrote it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right. Right, right.
See now.
My bad.
Okay.
Right.
Fixed overhead as per master budget minus fixed overhead
Yeah,
actual budget. Ma.
yeah, yeah, my bad.
Okay. So after you do all this plus and minus, you should get 8414. Check.
Let me check. 23,983 minus 4,360 plus minus 8,236 plus 910 plus 1,620 minus 400. Yeah, I'm getting that. 8,414.
So you prepared a statement to reconcile the flexible budget profit with the actual profit.
Mm-hmm.
Now additional information. Please read.
Yeah, additional information. So the additional information says that an analysis of direct material variance shows that both the material price and the material usage have an adverse variance. The directors of T Limited are considering changing
Material
the existing
price
suppliers.
and material usage has an adverse variance. What does this mean?
Missed both have been over understated in the budget.
So even
The
the
actual is
price
more.
that you pay is more, even the price
Yeah,
that you paid is more, and even you are using more.
yeah,
Okay. Then,
yeah, right. Miss, they're considering changing the existing suppliers. They have
hmm,
two potential suppliers to choose from.
okay.
Then after that, they gave the details of both the suppliers.
So you
One is
have a
local, one
local
is overseas.
supplier. You have a
Yeah,
local supplier who's going to charge you $13.75.
yeah,
Yeah. And you have a supplier B who's going to charge you 15.40.
yeah.
So calculate per unit will come up to how much?
Sure.
For local supplier A,
13.75 to 2.8. That'll give us 38.5.
38.5. This will be the per unit cost. And for
Yeah,
overseas supplier B,
38.5 as well.
38.5 as well. Now you have to advise the director which supplier they should choose.
Mm-hmm. Miss, we can say that if they choose the local supplier, there will be more wastage. Like it's 2.8 kilos, so like more material is being used,
Mm.
but it's cheaper, and we can say that there'll be a quicker supply because the supplier is local.
One point that you will give is that the unit price is the same.
Yeah, total comes up to the same price.
Okay. And it is lower than what you're actually spending.
Right.
What you're actually spending?
Yeah. We're spending right now our material comes up to 113,796.
Yeah. Budgeted cost.
Yeah.
Budgeted cost is how much?
Budgeted is 84,000.
Yeah, darling, per unit. Na? So per
There per unit 42,
unit,
yeah. 42,
budgeted
right.
cost is how much?
42.
42. Actually, you have spent how much?
Actually, it is 40. Actually, we're doing lesser, yeah.
Divide and say. Just don't speak in air.
Okay, yeah, 1 second. Material is 113,796 divided by 280. We're getting this thing 52.2.
Hmm. So your local supplier A is giving you at 38.5. Local supply overseas supplier B is giving you at this much price. You had expected that you will spend this much, but you actually spent this much.
Yeah.
No, directors, you have to give all this information, okay?
Yeah, Mr. Have to show them the values.
Yeah. Directors have already decided that they are going to change the supplier.
Mm-hmm.
Now, which one they should choose?
Yeah, Miss. Miss, we can say for material A that the quality is not good because they're
Local
using more
supplier,
material and it's being wasted.
local
Yeah,
supplier
yeah,
quality is not good because wastage is more. Okay.
yeah. Miss, this may lead to lower sales for the business.
This may affect
Like,
efficiency of workers.
yeah, okay, yeah, we can say that.
This may affect the efficiency of workers. What else will it affect?
Miss, Miss, there'll be more wastage. It'll affect the goodwill, like the brand image,
Okay, efficiency of workers will get affected because there
brand
is
image. Yeah,
wastage.
yeah,
Quality of the product would be less.
yeah.
Okay. But if I choose
Miss,
overseas supplier B, then what will happen?
Miss, you'll get good quality goods.
Yeah.
Miss, but then the delivery may not always be on time because it's coming overseas.
Delivery may not be on time. What else?
Uh, Miss, Miss, so the delivery is not reliable. This may
Urgent
lead to,
orders, then this supplier will not be able to fulfill.
yeah, like if the demand is higher.
If there is urgent orders, then this supplier will not be able to fulfill our demand. What else?
Yeah,
There may be some import duty, freight duty.
yeah, yeah, because it's overseas. Yeah, right.
So keeping in mind the delivery on time, which supplier you should choose.
Uh,
Keeping
if
in
we
mind the
choose
delivery, you can
delivery, then
choose.
local.
And if you're keeping in mind the quality, then you should choose overseas
B.
supplier.
Yeah, that.
So with this, we complete October, November 23, paper number 43. Okay, paper number 43, question number 1, the source A, which is of variance analysis.